All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is David Mills, and I've been an affiliate marketer full-time since 2020, where I left my day job as a corporate materials director, managing multiple millions of dollars of inventory and managing 13 branches inventory, doing all that kind of audit stuff. And it was a highly stressful job where I reported directly to the CFO, and I made pretty good money, but I always wanted to work full time for myself and build an affiliate marketing business. And so back in 2019, while working a full job, while being married, and while having kids, I woke up at 4:30 a.m. every morning and grinded on YouTube. And I think that first year I put out like 300 videos on this channel. And it's turned into multiple YouTube channels and some pretty good success. I haven't done my accounting to close up the year for 2023, but I know that it's over $150,000 that I made in 2023. And I would love to teach you how I did that and share with you insight on how I use YouTube as a traffic to how to get free traffic. And YouTube has changed my online business for the better. And then how to apply affiliate marketing methods and tactics like email marketing and so forth, and doing review videos and things like that. So that's what this channel is all about. I wanted to kick off this brand new year. It's January 2nd, and I'm currently doing a Building in Public series that it was suggested by some of my subscribers. And this is also kind of motivated by Jackie over at Indexy. He's doing a Building in Public series. It's working out really well, and he's teaching a lot of really good tips. And so I'm just kind of following along and following suit on what you guys would like me to do. So I'm planning on doing 60 videos on the Building in Public series, and then who knows where the channel will go after that. I do want to hire a video editor and start creating a little bit more engaging content from a video production standpoint, right? And that might help move the needle on my channel's growth. I believe that I'm creating some of the best content in the affiliate marketing space, just showing you exactly what I'm doing, right? All the other videos, I mean, I'm subscribed to people. They're not really showing you or testing things out and showing you how they're actually making money with affiliate marketing. They just pick somebody else's video topic and then create a highly produced video for you. And then you watch the video, right? And then you get a feel good feeling, right? And then you subscribe and so forth. But really, they're not teaching you how to, and I'm not bashing everybody, but I am saying just in general, because I also watch those videos myself. But really what it comes down to is the person that you're following, are they actually making money in the trenches doing affiliate marketing and YouTube? And the answer is most of them, the answer is probably not. They actually are making a lot of the money from the actual YouTube growth and the monetization and so forth that they have on their channel. But really, are they making money from doing, hardcore affiliate marketing, like putting out a review of a product and making sales, building email lists, doing all those kind of things to build their business, right? And so in this video, I wanted to show you, you can see up on the screen, this was like an 11-day vacation. Like, I haven't put out a video. You can go check all my YouTube channels, LearnWire, Teach Me Money Methods, and so forth. I haven't put out a video in over 10 days on these channels. I took a really much needed vacation, left my state of New Mexico, went to Colorado, went on vacation. I saw my best friend. I took my son and my nephew and my wife to, an indoor water park, and we just had a great old time, right? And one thing that you have to kind of think about when you're running this online business, kind of as a solopreneur, I guess that's what I would call myself, because I don't really have staff or anything like that. I've had VAs, but I find that it ends up taking a lot more time to keep them working, and it takes away from me actually just working. So lately, this last about 5 or 6 months, I've just been doing everything myself, and it's working out really, really well. My business is still growing, though there will be a certain point where the revenue gets at a certain point where I'm just going to have a VA to manage things. But the point is that when you're running this business like this, you don't really get like vacation pay like you do from a normal job. From a normal employer, a 9 to 5, you earn 2 or 3 weeks of paid vacation usually at jobs, right? Where in this kind of job, you don't have the vacation time per se. And so you have to have enough stability in your business in order to get paid like reoccurring commissions and so forth, and still make sales even when you take a bunch of time off. And I think that's what this represents. I went ahead and calculated all of my earnings. I went into, my impact right over here just to show you from right over here. If I go and actually I'm logged in over here on this one. If I go in here to impact, you can see right over here, December 22nd through January 1st, this is how much I made, $664. And so when I come over here and show you the spreadsheet, that's why this says $664. I'm not going to go over all of those. Just know that I went and added all these up with Warrior Plus and JV Zoo, and then the Six Figure Freedom Club. I got a couple more paying members. I'm almost at the 1,000 mark, which is awesome. I'd love for you to join if you really want all the tips and tricks and insights and you want kind of taken care of. You want to be able to direct message me and so forth. An amazing community, amazing course that only people that have come into the Six Figure Freedom Club get access to. It's a 2.5 hour fresh course, teaches you all about how I directly go in and make money with YouTube channels and how I build them, case studies of how I build brand new YouTube channels and so forth. The list goes on. And then 2 live coaching calls per month. I mean, if you don't see the value in that, then I don't know what to tell you, because I did put out a poll to you guys and 1 or 2 of you had actually said that you don't see the value. Well, when you're getting just one course alone, right? The course that's 2.5 hours long is worth way more than $27. And so I don't really need to make more of a case for the value that you're getting. You're also getting the access to me. You're getting the live coaching calls. You're getting the access to the community of like-minded people, success stories, all kinds of good stuff. So I really can't make any more of a case for the value is simply there. I've sold my own products for multiple hundreds of dollars for just a course alone. And you get access to the best that I've ever put out as far as a product's concerned. And you get access to that for only $27. I'll leave a link below if you want to go and check it out. I'd love to have you in there. If you want to pursue affiliate marketing and YouTube as a traffic source, then this is the place for you. Okay. But we have, and it's a little bit of a plug, but that's my product, right? And I'm going to share with you guys, I want to build this up. I want to get it to $5,000 a month. So that's going to be 200 members. And right now I'm currently almost pushing 40 members right now. Super cool. And then you can see right over here, the YouTube partner program, it was kind of low and that's because I wasn't putting out content, right? So I still made money, and this is what is called passive income. I didn't put out any content at all, but YouTube still paid me almost $400 for the videos that I already have up, right? During that 10-day break. The Amazon Influencer Program is right now just kind of not doing a whole lot. The holiday season's over. January and February are probably going to be pretty slow months anyways, but I do have about 100 videos up and it's going to make some money for me. I did make like $200 on Pay Teachers selling, coloring pages and journals and things like that, handouts, and $100 on Etsy. So that's where that $10 comes from. So a grand total of $2,574 I made while taking my 10-day vacation, and that averaged up to $257 per day while on vacation. And keep in mind that this is also on the weekends, right? I still got paid on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, where no one's really working, right? And if you have a typical traditional job, then you won't make money from that job on those days. You will make money if your employer is paying you your vacation time, right? But I still made money on the weekends as well. So this average is actually on every Saturday and every Sunday when I'm not working or any holiday, I still made that much money. So it all is off almost half of what I've been making on this first average right over here, showing you guys that my average is over $500 a day. But this was me not working for about 10 or 11 days, still made enough money to definitely pay our bills and so forth. And now I'm refreshed, recharged, ready to hit the ground running. 2024, I hope it is going to be my biggest year yet. So far, I've been able to say that every single year in my full-time online business. And 2024, I have set some goals. Perhaps I will share some of those goals with you in the next video, but I just wanted to make sure that we talked about how you make money while on vacation. And that's not going to be something that happens overnight, right? When you start your online business, you're probably not going to be able to take off time and then also make money. You would be able to do that if you're doing like e-com or e-commerce, right? And you have a product and you're running ads and you find a successful ad that you're making, it's profitable and you're making money. You could simply leave those ads running while you take time off and you probably would still be able to make money. So there is definitely some business models and like affiliate marketing as well, but you kind of have to have a foundation the way that I'm teaching, because all this was done with free traffic, not paid traffic. So super, super cool. That's kind of how you do it, is you build an audience in a niche that you are passionate about, and you build a YouTube channel around that that continues to get views no matter if you take time off or not. And during that time, people are always watching your videos and they're always looking to buy a product, whether that's an affiliate product that you're promoting or whether that's your own product or course. You're going to be able to make sales as long as you've done all the other things right, which is building an audience. Okay. So without further ado, let's go and answer any of the questions we had on our last video. Let me come into over here. And I'll go into content and we'll go into that last video here and we'll just go into the comments section and see what we've got over here. Okay, so we have down here, we have Dan K79 says another dynamite video. Appreciate that. Love the fact that you said build the audience first and monetize later. See you on the inside. Now, did you join Six Figure Freedom Club yet? Let me go and double check real quick. So if this is in fact Dan Albany, then you did join, and I really appreciate you joining. Hopefully you are, finding it very valuable inside of the community, the Six Figure Freedom Club community so far. So really cool. Glad that you decided to jump in and join. Let's go over here. So we have Rosno, thanks a lot for answering my question. Enjoy the holiday with your family. I appreciate that. I hope you had a great holidays as well. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, David. And right over here, we have Kajagdish. I know that you want to join and you probably will at some point, but definitely take advantage of the free, valuable content that I'm giving on this video in this Building in Public series as well. Happy holidays to you and Merry Christmas to you as well. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And then we have over here, Sammy, refreshingly genuine. I prefer this working style for affiliates. It's the gift of the gab, and content wise, I kind of figure you're at that 10K hours watch watershed where you don't need a script unless you're in an unfamiliar territory. Good. My first vid subbed, will binge the back catalog. So all I can say is thank you so much for watching, and you saw the value in the very first video that you watched of mine. You subscribed, and then you're going to binge some of my content, especially the last like 6 videos where I'm doing this Building in Public series. And if I can kind of capture the gist of what you were saying, it's that I've probably done so many videos now that I don't really need to script. I never have script. I have built scripted videos before. They take a lot longer and they don't necessarily perform better. And this is just the preferred style that I've adopted, and I've been doing it for years now. And you do get better at it. You absolutely get to the point where you can literally just, oh, that's the topic. Okay, boom. And you hit it on you hit the nail on the head, which is if you're talking and if you're building your niche in a niche that you are, very familiar with and knowledgeable about, then you're not going to have any problem pushing the record button and talking about whatever it is in that niche, right? So you are right. I'm in the niches that I am very passionate about and that I've been in for 10 plus years. That's software and that's affiliate marketing. Those are my 2 passions. And so it comes out in my content that I'm passionate about it and that I'm pretty knowledgeable about it. So you are right. The more you do the non-script videos like my style, you will get better at it. You will continue to get better at it. In the beginning, it'll be a little weird. It might be like a little cringy for you, but you just have to push through that and keep doing it. And then you will, find your stride and you will get better at it. So that's today's video. Just wanted to catch you up on the just kind of the vacation time. Did I still make money while I was on vacation? Give you a little bit of motivation to start the new year, that you need to start going out and building your YouTube channel in a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. It's going to be a lot easier. You're going to stick with it for a long term. And that once you do that, then you will be able to build a business that's sustainable and that still grows and makes you money while you take a 10-day vacation. So hopefully that's motivating enough for you. That I just have a couple small YouTube channels with over 10,000 subscribers. It's nothing special. It's not like it's 100,000 subscribers or something like that. And I'm still managing to make a full-time income working on YouTube and affiliate marketing. So thank you guys. Drop comments below. Anything you want to learn about, I will address them, or any questions you have, and I'll continue this Building in Public series. See you tomorrow.